Hey, guys. Ooh. We're here. Finally we made it. We ain't late. Oh my gosh. I hope I've taken my bag. I took it in a hurry. I'm not even sure it's mine. So yes guys, we are here. So excited. Finally we've made it. We've made it. That's so late. Oh. This place is amazing. It actually feels like we're in an airport. For reals. And we've been told ours is 5, so it's the one in front. Wow, this lady looks so good. OMG. What? You're so smart. Hey guys, just look at her. Just look at how smart she looks. Like an air hostess. Like, you look so good. So you want to? I'm Deborah. You Deborah? Yes. I'm a Miss Trudy. I'm a vlogger. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And I'm Ina. I am so ill. This is the dining coach. This is amazing. What do we need the dining coach for? We are here for only 4.5 hours. This is crazy. These chairs are so comfortable. Feels like you're actually in a world-class hotel. This thing just looks so good.
Right. This is good food company.
Yeah?
Yeah. We are the ones contracted to do catering services.
Oh. Guys, can you believe this is inside the train? It doesn't even look like we're inside the train. It looks like we're in some lavish place. This is what it looks like. What the hell are these? I have no idea. Guys, this is the loo in the train. So this is basically a toilet tour. So guys, the moment we've been waiting for. The train is moving right now. OMG. Guys, guess where we are? We are at Tito one day. Yeah. Guys, guess where I'm taking you? Okay, look at this beautiful mirror. Then guess where I'm taking you? First class. Yes, this is the first class of the train. As you can see, the seats are actually quite different. They are red in color and it's a little bit more spacious than the economic class. And the seats are facing one direction. So, and guys, finally we got to Mombasa. The trip was like really short, expected but still unexpected. It was amazing. And this railway station, this railway terminal was just the bomb, better than even the one in Chokima. Okay, you have a look in the side. So guys, that's it for my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and look out for part 3. It's gonna be even more epic. We're going to find somewhere to sleep. I'm so tired.